everyone, this is Diane Elkins with Artisan eLearning and eLearning Uncovered, here to share 2 simple things you can do to create a great first impression with your Storyline content. Traditionally, when you've launched a Storyline course in the past, the learner sees a blank slide with a start button. And if you have a video on a slide, especially one that's paused, the learner sees the first frame. However, you can customize both. First, the course launch page. In July 2021, Storyline released an update that lets you add a custom image to the start page when you're using the modern player. So here I have a course on time management. I can go into the player dialog box and on the Features tab, select Course Thumbnail. Then I click the link to find and select the image I want. I can pick the first slide of the course, something I already have stored in the media library, an image from Storyline's content library, or an image I upload. Let's see what's in the content library. I'll search for time, and let's go with something artsy, so I'll add the word abstract. Let's see, I like this one. I like this one, and this one. I'll go with the first one. Now let's see how it looks. The course thumbnail doesn't show in preview mode, so I've published it. Now I can tweak this image even if I want to. The image now appears in the media library, where I can edit it using any image editing software I have installed on my computer. So let's just do a few things and snag it. I'll add a blur, play with the color a little bit, and then I'll add the course title. If you add text, consider where the start button will be so that it doesn't hide your text. And keep in mind that as of this recording, you can't add alt text to this image. So a screen reader will not pick up any text that's on the image. However, doing the title is pretty safe because a screen reader will pick up the title of the course regardless of what you have here as an image. So I think I'm covered. Now I save this image, go back to Storyline, and it's updated. Let's look at it in the published version. Now, how about this video? If the video plays automatically when the slide loads, you don't really need a custom thumbnail. The video just starts playing. But this video is waiting for the learner to act, so it's going to sit on that opening frame until they do. My first frame is an empty to-do list, which doesn't really tell the story I want to tell. The starting thumbnail is called a poster frame. To select one, right-click the video and select Set Poster Frame. You can upload an image, select something from Storyline's library, or select something you've already uploaded into your media library. Now in this case, I don't really want any of those options. I just want to use a different frame of the video. Well, with a few extra steps, I can do that. First, I find the frame I want here in the timeline. Let's see if I can find a frame where there's more on that to-do list. So here, this works. Now I right-click the video and select Export Frame as Picture and save it. Now I can go back in, right-click the video, select Set Poster Frame, and this time I can pick the Image from File option and select the image I just saved. Now this option will work in preview mode. Before the video plays, we see the poster frame, and then the video plays when the learner clicks it. So there you have it, 2 quick ways to make a great first impression with your content.